Hi guys, welcome to Hooks Hot Rods. I did some work on a deck and a ramp for my son last weekend, so I didn't get a lot of work done on the truck. But this weekend we went up to his cottage to do some work on his shed, but we got rained out, so I came home and started on the doors. Got quite a bit done. We've got one door with the body fill on it now. So here's the passenger's door. I have the first layer of body fill on it, just roughed in. The other door, I just started doing the fiberglass on it. Getting all the seams done in fiberglass. But I run out of body fill, so that's as far as I could get right now. I also got the splash aprons in fiberglass. So not a whole lot of progress on it yet. Not a lot of progress on it yet, but next weekend I'm staying home to work on it, so I should get quite a bit done. I'm hoping to, well, I got to pick up some body fill during the week, one day if I get home early enough from work. Get these last 4 parts in body fill. Once I get the body fill all done on these 4 pieces, I'm going to start on the interior. Get it made up. Basically, I'm just going to make a bench seat out of wood and foam. Cover it with that brown leather. Not sure how I'm doing the roof yet. The door panels will be also in the brown leather and in oak. I'm hoping there's enough leather to do the roof liner as well. And then the engine, I'm going to just tear it down, and it was a good engine, but it's got a lot of miles on it, and none of them were nice. It was, I really beat on this thing a lot, so I'll take it apart and check it out and see how badly it's worn. And then, you know, it won't be too hard to get running. So that's where I am now. Hopefully next weekend I can get a lot of the bodywork finished and start the fine sanding. Hey guys, this is just a quick clip of the ramp and the deck, and then another one of the shed that we're building on the weekends. So that's the shed after the first weekend. I'm gonna try and get the roof on, the shingles on this weekend, and all the siding done. So yeah, that's as far as I've gotten this weekend. Next weekend, I should get a lot more done. So if you're into finding out about body work, I started watching a guy about, I don't know, about 8 or 9 years ago. My friend Pete at DIY Auto School. I learned a lot from that guy. Yeah, so check him out. It's my friend Pete at DIY Auto School. Check him out if you want to learn about how to do body work, how not to do body work. He's got a lot of videos out there and he shows you a lot. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, share on Facebook with your friends, And to the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Okay, thanks for watching.